A very good afternoon and Jai Hind everyone. Welcome back in SST module class. Children, this is the first module of the chapter India. So in this chapter in this module, we will be discussing about our country India. So let's get started. Children, which country do you live in? Are you proud to belong to this country? Why? Well, we live in India. Yes. And each person in this world is proud of their country. We also feel proud belong to India because India is a country where people respect their elders. We live in peace and harmony. Our country is our motherland. Let us learn more about our country, India. India is a land of diverse landforms and cultures. Some of the tallest mountains of the world, vast and fertile plains, hot dry deserts, and long sandy beaches can be found in India. India is a vast land. It is the seventh largest country of the world in terms of area, and its population is the second largest in the world. People speaking more than 22 different languages and belonging to many different religions can be found here. In spite of these differences, all Indians are united by the love they have for their country. So children, let us learn some more about this beautiful country, India. So first we will talk about location of India. India is located in the south of the continent of Asia, the largest of the seven continents. The northern part of India is surrounded or covered by land, and the southern part of India is surrounded by water on three sides. It has the Indian Ocean on the south, the Arabian Sea on the west, and the Bay of Bengal on the east. And children, the southern part of India is known as or called as the Indian Peninsula. Children, peninsula is a piece of land that is almost entirely surrounded by water but is connected to the mainland on one side. So, southern part of India is surrounded by water bodies on all three sides, south, east and west. As I told you, it has Indian Ocean on the south, the Arabian Sea on the west and the Bay of Bengal on the east. So southern part of India is surrounded by water on three sides. So that's why it is called the peninsula, or southern part of India is known as Indian Peninsula. Now let us discuss about the neighboring countries of India. Children, India has several neighbors. To the northwest, Afghanistan and Pakistan. To the north are China and Nepal. Bhutan lies to the northeast, and to the east are Myanmar and Bangladesh. Across the oceans, India has the island of Maldives on the southwest, Sri Lanka on the south, and Indonesia on the southeast. So, children, I hope you all understood whatever I explained in this module. So, I will be coming very soon with the next module. Till then, happy learning everyone.